नाजरीन, ये एवरीडे साइंस के वीडियो नंबर 5 है। एमसीक्यूज़ पार्ट 5 है। तो इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द गुड सोर्स ऑफ आयोडीन आर, इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, seafoods. The good source of iodines are seafoods. Next question. The gas commonly known as laughing gas. Its answer is option C, nitrous oxide. The gas commonly known as laughing gas is nitrous oxide. Next question. The source of oxygen in photosynthesis is, its answer is option A, water. Water is correct option. The source of oxygen in photosynthesis is water. Next question. The instrument used to measure wind speed is, the instrument used to measure wind speed is, its answer is option A, anemometer. Next question. The natural fats and oils are composed of, the natural fats and oils are composed of, its answer is option option A, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Option A is correct here. Next question. The energy value of food is measured in question mark. Its answer is correct option is the energy value of food is measured in, its answer is option B, calories. Next question. Wind energy is the dash energy. Wind energy is the dash energy, its answer is option C, kinetic. Next question. Who is considered the founder of meteorology? Who is considered the founder of meteorology? Its answer is option A, Aristotle. Next question. Water covers dash of the earth's surface. Its answer is option C, 71%. 71% area covered by water in the world. Next question. In journal wind speed 10 to 30 kph caused question mark, its answer is option A, minor or no damage. सो ये थी आज की एवरीडे साइंस की वीडियो। सो मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।